Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look into how to create a fire effect video with the help of Picsart Kinemaster and PixelLab. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Picsart app. Click the plus icon and pick the canvas to start your editing. Now upload the photo you want to edit. You can choose the image as your liking. I am cropping the image here to remove the black background. Now resize the image to the background as shown here. Once the resize is done, choose the stack icon which is present on the lower right corner. This is to turn off the white background, which will be very useful for the next steps to follow. You can now see the white background disappear. Now click the next button and select the edit image option. Select the cutout option to remove the excess background, as we only need the face of the person. Draw the outline around the image to cut that image from the background. If anything goes out of the line or inside the outline, you can add or remove that parts by the tools given below. Once this is done, choose the effect option, go to colors and select the black and white option. Now save your image to the gallery by clicking the next button. Once this is done, open the PixelLab app. Remove the text by clicking the delete option. Now select the third option down below, which is an icon in hexagon shape. Select transparent option in order to remove the background, and now import the image from the gallery we just edited. You can move the image to where you want the image to be. Again, from the third option below, choose Erase Color option. This will erase all background present in the image except his face. Now save the image to the gallery, and we are going to step 3. Open the Kinemaster app. Click the plus icon and select the resolution. Now choose the fire template video. I'll give the link to download the fire template video in the description below. Once this is downloaded and selected, add any music you want along with the video. Here, I changed the speed of my video so that the video ends exactly when the audio ends. Now select the image we have edited from PixelLab. You can resize and move the image to where you want it to be. Choose the image on the timeline and select the adjustment option. Reduce the brightness to -100 and increase the contrast to +100. Now click the next button on the upper right corner and export the video. You can export this video in full HD and you don't need any paid versions of any of this app to do this. Once export is done, your video will be automatically saved to your gallery and you are good to go.